So what are the documents that you need for mediation? Typically, some of the documents that you can start with are going to be your historical tax returns. So your tax returns for usually like your personal tax returns, your 1040 for the past 3 to 5 years, that's going to give somebody a really good, adequate view of what your um, income has been for both parties, other documents, other bank accounts, dividends, interest, holdings in farmland or equipment, holdings in businesses and partnerships. And so we'll start with that personal tax return for the last 3 to 5 years. If you have a business, we're going to look at the business tax returns for the last 3 to 5 years. We're going to look at current bank statements. We're going to look at current brokerage statements and securities. Basically, you will need a statement for every account that you own. That means debt, credit cards, mortgage, even getting the VIN numbers and the bank accounts for the house, and any sort of debt on there is going to be helpful. So you're collecting all the data that basically give your financial picture. Um, and then you're talking through some of the nuances of your situation, the kids, the financial situation, the housing situation. Not always does everyone live together at the point that they decide to get divorced. And so you would each be pulling the accounts that you have access to. Those would be the beginning documents, because the first step is to kind of create this personal balance sheet. And so you're putting on all the things that you have, like a house, but you're also adding in the negative, which is the debt or the mortgage on the house. And you're trying to see, like, what do you have left over and how are you going to split this between the two people?